Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I have a short but an important update. So I'm saying a temporary goodbye to the first strategy that I picked, the 20% flipper. Before I go on to explain why I stopped it, I want to make it clear that I still genuinely believe that this strategy is profitable and this has a lot of potential, and just because I have stopped it, it does not mean that the strategy is I found it bad. It's just that the style of strategy that it is not the style of strategies that I want to have for the next 4 5 years. So coming to why, I mean, what kind of strategies am I looking to build? So I'm looking for a quantitative long-term trading or investing strategies which are more like indices that we have today. For example, Nifty 500 holds the, sorry, not Nifty 500, Nifty 50 holds the top 50 free float market cap companies in India today. Similarly, we have many factor based indices. So I want to build such universe of stocks starting from Nifty 500, and then going down to universe of elite 50 30 stocks, and then run such strategies. So those strategies will be based on some themes. The fundamental ideas would be pick quality stocks, pick value stocks, pick momentum stocks, and etc. So this is the style that I'm exploring, and I want to have them in my portfolio for next 4 5 years. And why I found this strategy is not fitting to this is, as I said, I'm looking for a smaller universe starting from Nifty 500, or smaller uh, group of stocks filtered with specific factors, and then of course there is trend as well in after momentum. So I want to get down to this universe, and the 20% flipper is more like a positional momentum based trend following strategy, but it's not limited to a smaller universe. So when I printed the list of stocks that are in cycle, if you see my previous videos, you will understand what is in cycle. These are basically stocks that are trading 20% above their last or recent low that they made. So they have already bounced 20% above and they are in. So ideally, I should be holding 20 of these. And out of 500 stocks, with current market situation in India, which is not so good, I have about 350 or 364 stocks that are in cycle. So as you can see, this is not really fitting my bill, where I want to have a smaller set from Nifty 500. So that was the reason that I took a step back and put this strategy on hold. Definitely, I may not definitely, I may come back to the strategy when I fill the core portfolio with the strategies with this style, and I will come back to additional strategies if I need it. Yeah. So that is all for this video. I have a interesting video upcoming where I'm going to explain my next strategy, which is much more, not much more, it is equally interesting and engaging. So, yeah, see you in next video. Thank you.